Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
It's so great to hear from both you gentlemen, and these values that you both talked about that are so central to Benetton: inclusivity, diversity. Those are such important values. And as you were saying, as kids even, when you went to a Benetton store, got that t-shirt, it was like the ultimate thing because it stood for so much more than just a shirt, right? And speaking of which, you are dressed in this collection. Could you just tell me what motivated you to pick out your outfit, and just the colors and, what you liked about what you're wearing?
This is all Benetton from top to bottom. And
Woo!
I want to say one thing. Oh, really? Thank you. I would. Firstly, I want to say I had a moment a couple of days back when this opportunity came my way. I had a moment where I realized it's not Benetton, it's Benetton. Firstly, it's Benetton.
Yes, Benetton.
I was like, really? My whole life has been a lie. Benetton nahi hai, Benetton hai. I was like, okay. UCB, yeah. Actually, all of us, for that matter, all of us. But yes, I'm wearing. I mean, what I'm wearing. but I've always gone for something that gives me comfort. I'm not really a very brand conscious person. I am not aware of many brands. Koi brands ke naam to main bol bhi nahi sakta hu. But the thing is, I wear it, and if it fits me well, I'm very happy because I feel a person, wearing clothes which fits him just right cannot look better in any other brand. So I've always gone for the fitting. I've always gone for the colors. I've always gone for the silhouettes of the clothes. And I love the fact about Benetton that it's just, it represents relaxed silhouettes, which is just my vibe, It has to look relaxed. I have to look relaxed when I'm wearing something, be it a tuxedo, be it a relaxed wear. I have to look comfortable. So that's what always something that have drawn me to Benetton. The colors, the relaxed vibe, and it's pleasant, it's soothing, it brings a smile on your face. You feel like checking out all those colors. See, like for that rack example, it's a small rack over there, but it's so full of colors, and that is something drawn towards Benetton. Yeah.
I couldn't agree more. And I think the Spring Summer 19 collection is all about color. It's a celebration of color. And so would you like to share a little bit about the collection and just your thoughts on?
So, it's something which we've always done in the right manner. It's all about colors. It's all about optimism, hope, positivity. And also what is very important is it is a very inclusive collection. So inclusive collection would mean that the global brand has understood the Indian sensibilities very well and has designed a collection which appeals to everyone across the country.
Yes, and I think on that note, fashion, like love, transcends all boundaries. It transcends religion, it transcends gender, it transcends age, and that's what we're here to celebrate. And on that note, we have a very special cake, a rainbow cake that we'd like to now get on stage, please.
Super colorful.
Yes, it is.